Hi, everybody. I'm Helen Panza, your instructor for Principles of Management. That's Business 220 here at Bryan University. We have a fun 8 weeks ahead of us. They're going to be busy because in this course, you have learn-its to do every week, as you know. You have a book that you'll be reading and referring to. You also have assignments that are due just about every week in this course. So plan your calendars. Make time to get everything done. That is one of the keys to being successful in these online classes. Of course, we'll have Yellow Dig and you'll introduce yourselves again. And if you know the students that are in your class, you've been in a course with them before, tell us something we don't know about you already. Let's make new connections. Let's find our commonality. With your growth mindset and your grit to succeed, I know it's going to be a fun 8 weeks. And you'll learn a lot. And you will pass and go to the next course. I'm very excited to be on this journey with you. I will see you at our live meeting. Our first one is on Tuesday, the 19th of April at 7 a.m. or 5 p.m. That's Pacific time. So do the math, figure out your time zone, and I will send you a reminder and a link so that you can join me. You can also find the link in your course along with your book and all the learn-its. Get started early. Don't delay. Don't make me find you and hunt you down. You know I will. It's going to be a fun ride. See you Tuesday.